Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we have a Temu haul, and it's back to school essentials and a lot of yarn and otherwise. Let's get into it. So, I want to get started into the yarn and such first. This I've already opened, but it is 500 grams or 600 grams, one of the two. You guys will see it on the screen, of just polyfill, and I got a great deal for that. Now this came like triple wrapped, and it was very small and very tight and heavy. And as soon as I opened it, it like poofed right up. So, okay, and next, now this was supposed to be orange, but it came very yellow. So I'm gonna have to order a different kind because this one's just, it says it's orange, but it's very yellow. But it is the chunky yarn. I got this for a great deal, so I didn't think returning it or anything would be necessary. I'll end up using this anyway. Okay, and next is a 3-pack of chenille yarn. Now this is like a purple, almost brown purple. My idea for this is to go with the brown for monkeys. I really like that, and it is the thinner one. Not as thick as this one. I think that might be all of the yarn this time, because this haul isn't actually yarn obsessed like all my other ones have been. This is actually going to be a Christmas gift. And this is going to be for my granddaughter. But it is a pillow, and it lights up. It's supposed to. Did I get it dud? There's no zipper to open it. Oh, yes there is. Huh, you need to put batteries in it. It doesn't come with them. I believe it's AAA or AA. I'll update you guys in the description. I'll also post a picture of it when it's lit up, because I'll do that after, before I even give it to her. But it's just like a pillow that is nice and fluffy. It's super fluffy. And it has the button there to light up. And it does make a sound. Click. She is going to love that. Okay, and next is a 3D printed duck to go with our horror duck collection here. And it is Billy from Saw. Now this is a 3D printed duck, so it's not resin, so it's very light. It's also not as big as the resin ducks, but not as small as the other 3D printed duck that I've gotten before. So it's a good size. But that's Billy from Saw. Now this is also another Christmas gift. This is going to be for my son's father for Christmas. It's a weird take on the Cheshire Cat. And it is 3D printed. My son really wanted to get this for his dad. It's flat on the back, and then Everything articulates. Now the arms aren't separate pieces like the leg or like the tail, and the legs aren't separate pieces either, but I thought that was creepy and cool. And let's get into another 3D printed item here. These are going to be popular this year, I think. Now this is for my older son for Christmas. Well, maybe not for Christmas, just for now, I think. But it is a wolf duck. He's been recently into collecting different kinds of ducks as well. So I think he'll really like that. But it's 3D printed, and it's also a nice, decent size as well. And I believe I got that for like $1, so why not? Next is just a little metal tin. Just something I needed. It screws on. Lots of storage space. Just something I needed. And then we have something for myself that, again, I got for a great deal, so I wasn't going to pass it up. Especially being what it is. It is a t-shirt for myself. Oh, it's the nice soft material. But it says Gilmore Ghouls. And then it says, where you haunt, I will follow. And if you don't know, that's from the theme song from Gilmore Girls. I can't wait for the fall weather to keep wearing all my Gilmore Girl merch that I keep getting. So excited. And I did get a size large. Nice and comfy. And it is the soft material as well. I can't wait. Okay, and next is actually a makeup bag for myself. I am going on another trip. Now, I'm not going to use this for actual makeup because I don't really wear makeup, but I'm going to use it for like earrings and other such things in my travel bag. Now, this bag is very heavy duty. It's very thickly lined. It has skulls and roses all over it. And then inside is a very large compartment. And then you have the top compartment here that has a little zipper and mesh for like all your little things. I believe I got this for a great deal too. So I believe there's a lot of great deals in this video. But it's a very decent size, and it's very, like, it's almost like a quilted material, like, very soft, but quilted. And it has the handle there. I really like that. All right, a few more small things. Now, this is a 3D printed, it's called a chicken jockey. I don't know if you know what that means, but it's from the Minecraft movie, and my younger son is going to love this. But it's just like a little figure that can go on a shelf or be played with. I really don't care. But that's really cool. It's kind of small, like, compared to the wolf duck. It is kind of small, but he's still going to love it no matter what. Okay, and next, now I did get 2 water bottles, 2 different times. One is an axolotl. Now these are metal, and I believe they're 20 ounces. You'll see all the information where it is. But these are for back to school. One is an axolotl for my one son. Now I do want to note that it comes with like a tea strainer inside. That's pretty cool. And it's completely metal. This is going to be great for back to school. And I like the detail on this as well. Now there's one. I did get another one. Now this one came with the same thing, but it is Minecraft. For my other child. And this one also does come with the strainer, and it is metal as well. And they're the exact same size, so I'm pretty sure it's about 20 ounces, maybe 24. These water bottles are actually really awesome. They don't smell like paint or anything either, which was my main concern. I say definitely go get one. Okay, and next is a 3-piece set. Now, this is the newest thing my kids are into. This tiger, his name is Derby, correct me if I'm wrong. It's from K-Pop Demon Hunter. But this is a 3-piece set. Now, this is the knapsack. You've got a water bottle on the side and a water bottle holder on this side. And it comes with the lunch pail, which also has a water bottle, and it has like a side bag strap. And then it also comes with a pencil case with the design on it as well. And it's just a standard pencil case, I think. Yep. Just one pouch, but it's all my kids really need. But I found that to be awesome for something that they really, really like. So there's the first 3-piece set. And then I got one more for my other son. Now, he wanted the exact same, but I figured not to get them the exact same. So he actually wanted a different one. Now, this one is the 3-piece set. Here's the lunch pail, and they're the exact same. This one doesn't have a water bottle holder, though, but that's okay. Here's the lunch pail. We've got the 3 girls, no idea what their name is, and the tiger and on the pencil case. And then you have the knapsack as well. And both have the water bottle holders. And I'll show you inside, because inside the knapsack, the other one is the exact same inside. It's just one big pouch, and then there's a pouch in the back. Exactly what my children need. And for a 3-piece set, it's pretty awesome. Back to school is done. Last item of the day today. Now, I got these because they were a great sale. They were in my cart, and I kind of was humming and hawing about them. And for them to show up, and they're really kind of creepy, in my personal opinion. They're huge, but they're eyeballs, but they're completely flat, and they're huge, but they're kind of creepy. So give me ideas down in the comments below. What would you use these big eyeballs on, plushie-wise, when crocheting? And there you have our Temu haul. What do you guys think of the things I got today? Do you think I did well with my back-to-school shopping? I think I did. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I will be happy to answer them in the comments below. I am not sponsored by Temu by any means. This is all on my own dime. Just a mom on a budget. If you do like these videos, make sure that you hit the like button. Let the algorithm know that you do like them. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay a while. Let's grow our Temu crochet community together. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye.